You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this animal, and let's remember this is not a crocodile. If you want to learn more vocabulary like this, stay tuned. I've got more videos to suggest. You're going to learn so much today. The British English pronunciation used in the UK is as alligator. 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 Now, in American English, in the US, it's pronounced a little bit differently. Let's hear it. American pronunciation, alligator. They use a flap T that sounds like a D, usually. Alligator, alligator. And also they say alligator, alligator, rather than alligator, alligator, or alligator. Can you hear the differences? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.